Hi everyone, Tom from VIP Security here, and today I'm going to show you how to activate an intrusion detection on your Dahua NVR or XVR. So first things first, we just want to right click anywhere on the screen here to bring up our little sub menu. Left click on main menu. Left click on AI. Left click on parameters on the drop down menu here. Left click on Smart Plan. Come over here to Channel and select the camera that you want to activate the Smart Plan on. Left click on the light bulb, make sure it's blue, then left click on Apply. Then navigate to IVS, navigate to the camera that you want to add the intrusion detection on, click Add, click Type, then click Intrusion, then click Draw. Once in Draw, you can name the intrusion detection zone. You start by drawing the intrusion detection zone by left clicking anywhere on the screen and then left click on any point once you drag your mouse to it. Right click to finish. Activate your action. Then you can activate your direction here, enter, exit, or both. I have both. And you can turn on and off the target filter. I'm going to turn off motor vehicles. Left click OK. Left click Apply. Then right click back to main menu. And I'll now demonstrate the intrusion detection for you.